Hello, Espresso Cyborg here. How does the day greet you? Today's topic of discussion is replacing the group gaskets on a Type A E61 group head. You can refer to my previous video for more information about how I categorized the group head styles. Without further ado, let's sip some espresso. First, make sure we have a replacement gasket and screen for our machine. While we can use the same screen, I find it best to replace. Maybe I will introduce a video on cleaning basket-style screens. Check our tools that will be necessary to finish the job. We will need a pick and food-grade lube, and for the fun of it, a Prince flathead screwdriver. Why the screwdriver, you ask? Just in case we made a boo-boo and have to remove the new gasket without damaging it. While it is not necessary to turn off the machine to replace the group gaskets, please remember the machine and everything metal is hot. Moving on, locate the openings in head where portafilter edges fit into the group head. Yes, I am aware that this is not an E61 head, and I'm also aware that it is upside down. Place your observations in the comments as usual, and let us continue. Push your pick or scratch awl into the gasket at a slight angle. With the pick inserted into the gasket, lift the back end of pick so that the front or pointy end always points away from you, and middle of the pick rests on the outer lip of group head for leverage. Never bend the pick towards you. Remember, safety first. The old gasket will sometimes come out in pieces depending on how long the last replacement was performed, so do not give up. The first time you replace the group gasket, do not be surprised if it takes you over 10 minutes to complete. With more practice, you will be able to replace the gasket within 2 minutes at the most. Run your pick around the gasket groove in the group head to make sure that all the pieces have been removed. Once the group is cleared of the old gasket, prepare the new gasket with a small layer of lube on the top and inner surface. Easiest way to tell which side goes up, the top is marked with letters or numbers. Place the screen in the gasket with the letters on the gasket facing upwards. Then remove the basket from the portafilter. Yes, I know some call it a holder. Let us just say it's the handle thingy. Now, place the screen and the gasket in the handle thingy, then insert it into the group head. When it is seated, remove and place the basket back in portafilter handle thingy and insert in group head to finalize the replacement. Our machine is now ready to use. Thank you for viewing this video within the universe created from coffee.